Welcome to one of our more random videos, and one we've always wanted to make, about the difference in acceleration time if you're facing very strong winds. Apologies to Suzuki, this XL6 press car, and any of its fans, as it arrived for performance testing in the middle of gale force winds, and its shape is, well, just look at it. It's perfect. It's a big slab-sided minivan with a tiny engine, so the difference during our directional tests should be profound. For the record, the regional road we use for testing faces 305 degrees and obviously 135 degrees in the other direction. We always try to pick the best weather for testing, but this time we had no choice and had to test in gale force southeasterly winds. So the XL6 is our guinea pig to show you what a head or tailwind can do to acceleration times. Okay, this is merely for reference purposes. We're now going into a gale force wind of about 14 meters per second. The first run was 12.7 seconds. Let's see what the second one is. Okay, that was incredibly unpleasant. You probably heard wind noise coming from the closed driver window or door, and for the first time ever I didn't have to do light braking to bring us down to 100 km an hour because the wind did that for us, and this run was 13.5 seconds. It's actually not as bad as I expected. Right, I'll probably do one more run in the direction